Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Monday, January 20th. Now on the 20th we have a lot going on. We have a holiday, Dr. Martin Luther King Day, and we also have a new administration being sworn in Washington. Now we're going to have also a holiday trading schedule. And what that means is these markets will start trading at 5 o'clock Chicago time, Sunday night. And then we'll have shortened sessions on Monday. The stock indices and the interest rate markets will close at noon. Metals and energy 1:30, and then FX closes at 4. Grains do not trade. 5 o'clock Monday evening Chicago time, all these markets start trading again, and that will be for a Tuesday trade date. So let's look at what happened to these markets this week. As we've talked about before, if you're not familiar with these markets, the green line represents buy, the red line represents sell, dash line means it's something that happened earlier in the week. Also, we're looking at a daily chart. The concept is a swing trade. That means you're trying to capture some of the movement in these markets. What I'm showing you, I'm not providing buy and sell signals, but rather ideas that I'd like to share with you. Now let's go and see what happened here. Between that sell to that buy level, the dollar value, if you're not familiar with this, is $1,300 a contract. Follow through to the upside is expected on Monday. With all the changes that we have, it'll be interesting to see if that confidence is there. Like we're seeing going into the weekend, NASDAQ market dollar difference sell to buy level is $2,860 a contract. Follow through to the upside is expected. Over in the Dow, dollar difference sell to buy level in that market, $1,205 a contract. Follow through, yes, at a critical level. And as we talked about in the advanced video with dollar projections that we look for, we are looking for movement here, though, to the upside. Now let's talk about the Russell. In the small to mid-cap companies, we're seeing an attempt at a rally, not a sign of confidence. This really implies an inside day on Monday, but I would expect it to get dragged higher. Dollar difference sell to buy level is $500 a contract. Over in the euro, let's talk about the dollar dominance. The US dollar stays strong. Dollar difference between the sell to buy level in that market is, to give you that reference, is it's $650 a contract. And what do we look for? I look for a sideways move on Monday to lower. Feel the same way about the Swissy. Dollar value sell to buy level in that market is $1,112.50. And further movement down, yes, I think the US dollar is going to stay strong. We have what I call an equal and opposite here in Mr. Yen, and in that market also looking for follow through to the downside. $712.50 is the dollar value from that buy to sell level. If we look at what's going on in the Aussie dollar, here's a market that is twisting in the wind. The way I look at it, it implies a sideways move. This is a bullish setup. I just don't think the paper or the volume's there to support that. Dollar difference sell to buy level in that market, or down here, sorry, buy level. That dollar difference in the Aussie dollar is $1,160 a contract. Now from this buy to that sell level, it's $400 a contract. Follow through to the upside here, it implies a sideways move. British pound sell to buy level in that market is, there it is, 1,400 $18.75. Further movement to the downside, yes. Big move down, no. Canadian dollar also sideways move is what we're looking for. Dollar difference sell to buy level is $100 a contract. Let's take a look at what's going on with Bitcoin. It continues its move to the upside. Oh, I should also tell you that the dollar difference here from that buy to that sell level is $15,075 a contract. Further movement up, big day up, no. We are looking for follow through though. In the treasury markets and 10-year notes, I'm looking for a down move in that market. We're seeing signs of change and that the yields may start increasing again. The dollar difference here between that sell down to this buy level was $1,000 a contract. In the 30-year bond market, we're also seeing the possibility of weakness here in prices as yields may kick up on Monday. Well, let's talk about gold. Oh, first, the dollar difference, the buy to sell level in that market is $2,800 a contract. It also implies a sideways market for Monday. In the silver market, it's weaker than what we saw with the gold market, and we're looking for an inside day on Monday in that market. The difference between the sell and buy level here in this market is $3,500 a contract. Let's talk about what's happening with copper. Dollar difference here in that market is $5,500 a contract. Difference here between that sell and buy level is $250 a contract. Further movement down, yes. Big day down, no. Fundamentals are switching here in this market. I'm looking for a rally by the end of the week. If we look at what's happening with crude oil, slowing down a bit, but not necessarily bearish. Difference between the buy and sell level in that market is, let me give you the right number there, $3,260 a contract. So be careful on the short side in that market. But the nat gas backing off, it's very interesting. Next 3 days, very important for longer term action in this market. Buy level to that sell level is $1,100 a contract in that market. And anything else I want to tell you? I'm sorry, that's $2,600 a contract. And the last level here, the sell to buy level, is $1,700 a contract. And it does imply further movement down, but beans, they're watching what's happening in South America and with China buying some of our beans. Now, dollar difference buy to sell level here in that market is $2,200 a contract. The difference between that sell to that buy level is $350 a contract, and I do look for an up day, but not on Monday. This market's not trading. We'll look for that on Tuesday. Feel the same way about corn, looking for follow through there. Dollar difference buy to sell level in that market, $850 a contract. Over in wheat, the dollar difference here between the buy and sell level is $100 a contract. Follow through to the upside is expected on Tuesday. Well, those are my thoughts for today. It was a long one, but we had a lot to talk about. Hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I look forward to being with you again on Monday. In the meantime, take care.